many different stories, but they're mostly about my in-laws. I remember that my father and mother-in-law were visiting one of the uncles that brought them here that had been here from the 20s. And his wife spoke English, and she spoke Yiddish too, but she was sitting next to my father-in-law, and she kept saying, listen, listen. And then they'd speak in Yiddish, and then again she'd say, listen. So when he came out, he said, in English, my name is Listen, because his name was Moshe, but she was telling him to listen. So I remember laughing at that. And I remember my sister-in-law said she went into a fruit store and she asked for a pound of poison, and the man just looked at her, and she showed him, and he said, onions. And she said, oi, her son went to pick one up, and somebody said, don't touch it, it's poison. So she called it poison. When I started to be friendly with his sister, I remember I was having something to eat at her house, and I said, can I have a fork? And she said, what? And I said, a fork. And I saw her do this to her husband. And I said, what? And she turned around and she said to him, I told you that's not a dirty word.